Welcome to my channel Orbit of Learning by Swati Singh. So this is the last part of this chapter, chapter 1. So if you have not watched the previous lectures, do watch those also. So the topic is classification of phylum chordata. Phylum chordata is divided into following superclasses. Superclass pisces. These are fishes and exclusively live in water, aquatic. The body is covered with scales, plates. Body is streamlined and fins are present but limbs are absent. Respiration is through gills. They lay eggs. They are cold-blooded. Their heart is two-chambered, having one auricle and one ventricle. Fertilization is internal. Fishes are of two types based on the nature of their skeleton. Cartilaginous fish, some with the skeleton made entirely of cartilage, such as sharks, rays, etc. They are found in deep seas. Bony fish, some with skeletons made up of bones, such as labiorota, rohu, cartla, hilsa, exostus, flying fish, hippocampus, seahorse, etc. They are found in fresh water but may be the part of marine water. Next is the superclass tetrapoda, class amphibia. The amphibians are the first land vertebrates, but they are found both in water and land. Larval stages are found in water. They have moist skin without scales. Respiration is through gills, lungs and skin. Heart is three-chambered and they lay eggs. Head and trunk is distinct. Neck and tail may or may not be present. Example, frogs, toads, salamanders, right? Next is the class reptilia. This class consists of creeping animals. They are also called first two terrestrial animals. They are first terrestrial animals living in warmer regions. They are cold-blooded animals. Their body is covered by dry and cornified skin. These are poikilotheriums and they undergo internal fertilization. Body is covered with epidermal scales. Most of them have three-chambered heart, while crocodiles have four-chambered heart. Skin is rough and dry. An exoskeleton of epidermal scales is present. However, it's sloughed off periodically. They lay eggs with thick covering of land. Example, snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Next is this class aves, which is birds. Since the birds developed from reptiles, they are also called glorified reptiles. So birds को और हम क्या बोलते हैं? Glorified reptiles. So this is not very common, so you can just mark it down in your notes or anywhere you want to note it down for your revision purpose. They have the following characteristics. They are warm-blooded animals and their heart is four-chambered. They lay eggs, that is oviparous, and their body is covered with a feathery endoskeleton. The two forelimbs are modified into wings for flight. They breathe through lungs. Endoskeleton is light with the bones having air cavities. Jaws are modified to form a strong beak. They do not have external ears. They are homeothermic organism. Example, ostrich, pigeon, sparrow, crow, duck, owl, peacock, parrot, etc. Next is the class mammalia. Mammals are the members of the vertebrates group of animals in which the young ones are nourished from the mammary glands. They also include animals that possesses hair and other features are as follows. They are found in diverse habitats ranging from deserts, polar ice caps, oceans, mountains, forests, and grasslands. They are warm-blooded animals. Heart is four-chambered with two auricles and two ventricles. They have mammary glands for the production of milk to nourish their young ones. The skin of mammals has hair as well as sweat, mammary glands, and oil glands. Milk glands are the characteristic feature. Hair present on our body help in regulation of body temperature. They give birth to living young ones and are also called viviparous. Mark it down. कि mammals को और हम क्या कहते हैं? Except some like flatters and Angea lays eggs and some like kangaroo give birth to very poorly developed young ones. Respiration occurs through lungs. Their body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Body shapes are variable, forelimbs and hind limbs are present. Their mouth is small with rigid lips, teeth, and jaws. 7 cervical vertebrae present in neck. Brain has large cerebrum and cerebellum. Nervous system is advanced type. Sense organs are highly developed with specific functions. They have an endoskeleton made up of bones. Excretory system is highly developed. Main excretory organ is kidney, which is present in pair. Sexes can be easily distinguished and fertilization is internal. They are endothermic and can regulate temperature of the body. Homeothermous, example humans, whales, cats, rats, bat, monkey, elephant, tiger. Viruses, they are microscopic infectious particles which replicate only inside a host. Tobacco mosaic virus (TMV) was first discovered by Ivansky in 1892. Virus contains both living and non-living characteristics. They are non-active outside the host. They contain either DNA or RNA as genetic material. They usually cannot be seen with normal microscope. They usually vary in size from 10 to 300 μm. Smallest known virus is endo-associated virus and is about 20 μm, whereas largest is pox virus 300 μm. They are responsible to chemicals, radiations, and high temperature. Viruses have protein coating that protects the nucleic acid. It is called capsid. You can see the diagram. Next is viroids. These are infectious agents which affect only plants. These are smaller than virus and have circular strands of RNA without protein coating. Viroids were discovered by Theo Diner in 1971. It was first examined in potato spindle tuber viroids that caused a huge loss to potato industry. Since these attack only plants, they are also called plant pathogens. Some of the key points from the Tamil Nadu Board and NIOS. Flatworms are hermaphrodite, have both male and female reproductive organs in a single individual. Exoskeleton is made of chitin and is shed periodically as the animal grows. The casting off and regrowing of exoskeleton is called molting. In aves, hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching, or swimming. So here chapter 1 is completed of biology also, and in physics also it's been completed, and today we have started up with the chapter 2. So the chapters are going in the physics, chemistry, and bio all. So if you have not watched those videos also, you can just go through it. And if you're liking this series, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more such videos.